Most people drink coconut water for hydration. But what happens when you mix it with one of the most powerful medicinal leaves on Earth? This simple drink has been used for generations to support blood sugar, cleanse the liver, and improve digestion. And the shocking part? Almost nobody outside Africa is talking about it. Stay with me, because what happens in just 7 days might surprise you. Welcome to Nature Fuel Wellness, where natural remedies meet real science. Today, we're looking at a powerful combination: coconut water and bitter leaf, also known as Vernonia amygdalina. One hydrates your body at a cellular level. The other activates deep healing processes most people ignore. Let's break down what actually happens inside your body when you take this daily.
What's inside this drink? Coconut water. Coconut water is loaded with potassium, magnesium, and natural electrolytes. It hydrates faster than plain water and supports heart and muscle function. Bitter leaf. Bitter leaf contains powerful plant compounds like flavonoids and alkaloids. These compounds are responsible for its blood cleansing, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects. Blood sugar control. If your blood sugar spikes easily, this part matters. Bitter leaf has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose levels. Coconut water adds hydration without overwhelming your system with sugar. Together, they create a natural support system for your metabolism. Liver cleanse and detox. Your liver is your body's detox engine. Bitter leaf helps activate liver enzymes that break down toxins. Coconut water flushes waste out through proper hydration. The result? A more efficient, less stressed liver. Digestion boost. That bitter taste you feel? It's not random. It stimulates bile production, helping your body digest fats and absorb nutrients better. Coconut water soothes the gut lining. So instead of bloating and discomfort, you get smoother digestion. Blood pressure and heart health. High blood pressure often comes down to one thing: imbalance. Coconut water is rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Bitter leaf supports circulation and reduces oxidative stress. This combination gives your heart a break. Weight and appetite control. Here's something most people don't expect. Bitter foods naturally reduce cravings. Combined with a low-calorie drink like coconut water, this can help you eat less without trying too hard. How to prepare. Here's how to make it properly. Take fresh bitter leaf and wash thoroughly. Squeeze out the juice. Add 1 cup of fresh coconut water. Mix and drink immediately. Best taken in the morning on an empty stomach.
Who should be careful? This is important. If you're on diabetes medication, monitor your sugar levels. If you have low blood pressure, use caution. And if you have kidney issues, consult a doctor due to potassium levels. Natural doesn't always mean risk-free. So if you try this for 7 days, watch your energy, watch your digestion, watch how your body responds. Because sometimes the simplest combinations create the most powerful results. Subscribe to Nature Fuel Wellness for more science-backed natural remedies. Your health is your greatest asset. Protect it.